Hi all, welcome back to my channel, Texas Live, Cuộc sống, Texas Real Estate, Food and Travel. And today I just want to congratulate you on your just sold home. But what's next? Many projects. So one of the projects I have in mind for you, you guys today for remodeling is the mud room and the laundry room. Either that you have a resale home or that you just bought or a builder home. So we want to do a little project to increase efficiency. Prior to start any project, I get my inspiration from Pinterest. So I'll go online and search for some pictures, or I would go to model home and take pictures. Or also, I would go directly to the store, to Home Depot or Floor and Decor, and see what kind of material they have. And we want to have it looking nice, the upgrade, but budget friendly. So the mud room that I have right here came very standard. There is no shelf, no doors, and no handle. And then also the shoes rack they have on the bottom, the gap was way too high, so we added more shelves to increase efficiency and have more shoes that we can store. So you can see also the laundry room. We did an upgrade, having it pre-plumbing by the builder, but there was no counter, was no handle. There were no division between the washer and dryer, no cabinet, and no sink. So, and then also the little storage area there, the shelf was so uneven, some short, some longer, and then on the bottom it just stopped in the middle like that. It's really odd. So we removed the bottom shelf and we measure for the laundry basket, the rollover laundry basket, to fit the laundry basket there for the dirty laundry. So the idea behind the laundry room upgrade is that we want to have a place that we can wash our hand right after we handle dirty laundry, our detergent, and then it's also a place that you can hand wash your clothes and hang it there, so it can drip in the sink. Or you can also use it. We have a pet, so you can also give a bath to your pet, and that's gonna fit there perfectly. We have the farm style sink, so that it's low enough for us to give a bath to our pet, and then low enough for obviously my boy if he want to give a bath once in the blue moon, if I get lucky. So the farm sink, we got it on Wayfair. The cabinet came from Home Depot, but it was not installed, so we have to have it installed. The faucet is a motion sensor, as you can see. So the cost for the labor, it's $2,000, and our contractor added the handle on the cabinet, do the custom shelf to enclose the washer and dryer, install the sink, the faucet, and the cabinet, and add the shelf to the laundry storage area and inside the cabinet for us, including paint and all that. We provided the handle on the cabinet. That's maybe another $15. The granite was separate. The granite was part and labor done by a granite contractor, so $2,000 there. So all in all, the laundry room was a $6,200 roughly. And that's including the backsplash, about $450 plus another $100 for the grout, so $550 around there. So that whole area, including the backsplash, the amount is $7,500, and that is including the mud room outside. That's $1,200. So the idea behind the upgrade of the mud room is because it drives me nuts to see the clutter everywhere, either tennis racket, either bucket, broomstick, laying everywhere, cleaning products. So we wanted a place to store everything there like that, so that it's not going to be viewable from others. And then we needed a place that we have the most common shoes that we can store and things like that. Hope you guys like our project today, and share, comment, and like. Let us know how we did so that we can do better videos for you guys in the future. Thank you so much for viewing.